A long time ago, in the land of Israel, there lived a king named Solomon. He was not just any king, he was the wisest man who ever lived. But did you know Solomon didn't start that way? One night, Solomon had a dream. In the dream, God spoke to him and said, "Ask for anything, and I will give it to you." Wow! Imagine if God asked you that. What would you ask for? Some might ask for toys, money, or castles, but not Solomon. He said, "God, please give me wisdom to lead your people and know what is right and wrong." God was so pleased with Solomon's answer. He said, "Because you asked for wisdom and not riches or power, I will give you wisdom like no one else. And I'll also give you riches and peace." From that day on, Solomon became super wise. People from faraway lands came to hear him speak and learn from him.